Hi, friends! Today, we're going to draw our new friend, Fret the pine cone. Fret has a lot of pine cone bumps on him. We're going to start with all the bumps on the left side. Draw a line up here, like this. Then an upside-down U shape on the top of it. At the top of that upside-down U, start a new line going up and end that line with an upside-down U. Make a line going up to the same level as your upside-down U, drawing a line to the right and then down. We're going to make 2 more shapes like that. Up, across, and down. Then another. Up, across, and down. This time, make the tail a little longer. Leaving some space in the middle, start your line here. Draw a line up to the right, then curve it in at the top. Next, we'll draw Fret's face. Let's start with his eyes. Draw a straight line here and here. Then an upside-down U on top of each line. 1, and 2. Inside, you'll make a circle here and a circle here. Now, make a tiny circle inside each eye for the highlight. 1 here and 1 here. Great job! Next, we'll draw his arms. Start just above this line and draw a V-shaped line like this. We'll make one the same way on the other side. Start just above this line. Draw down and up. These curved lines will make his hands. Draw one here and one on this side. To finish each arm, we'll connect the lines like this. Loop around and down to his arm. One more. Loop around and down to his arm. Pine cones are full of spikes. We'll draw 2 little V's. One here and one here. Then connect them with a straight line like this. Let's draw Fret's eyebrows. Above each eye, you'll draw a little line across and then down. Starting on the outside edge, draw the same shape, but taller. Then, connect the edges to make a little bean. What should we do next? How about his smile? Draw a gentle U shape here. And connect both sides with a wavy line. He looks so happy! For his teeth, we'll draw 3 tiny lines. 1 down, 1 across, and 1 up. 2 more little lines make the shape of his tongue. Let's give Fret some legs. Lining up with the middle of each eye, we'll start our leg line here. Draw a line down, then to the right of it, a line back up again. For the other leg, we'll do the same. Draw 2 lines. To make his feet, we'll draw a U shape here. And here. Almost done! Let's finish his pine cone bumps. Draw a line here going up. And another here. We are going to make a row here similar to the one below. Draw across and down from the left. Then up and across from the right. Connect those two lines together by drawing a line up, over, and down again. The next row will have two ridges with a very similar shape. Draw up, over, and down. Then again, up, over, and down. Lastly, we'll draw Fret's last pine cone bump on the top. Draw up, across, and down, just like before. Well done! That's a lot of bumps. Now all we have to do is fill in the eyes and mouth. Sometimes this part takes a little time.
I show patience when I'm peaceful. I show patience when I'm calm. I show patience when I'm gentle, and I trust good things will come. I am patient. I am patient. I am patient. I am patient.
Thanks for drawing Fret with me. Have fun coloring him different shades of brown. Check out his episode about friendship on this channel. Subscribe for more Zip and the Tiny Sprouts episodes and crafts.